Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Glaishur from My Singing Monsters. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off by drawing the piece of hair on top of the head. Let's draw a curve down, and then a wavy line back up. Now let's draw a curve on the top left, and curve it back up. And the same thing on the right side. And then close off the top with a curve across. Now let's add the pieces of hair coming out from the sides. Let's start from the left side and let's draw a curve out and bring it down. And the same on the right. Now from the bottom, let's curve it down and then curve it up. Now let's move up to the top and let's draw a larger curve out on both sides. Now let's curve it down and back up to close off each side. Now let's move inside and draw the face. At the top, let's draw two curves down for the tops of the eyes. And then another curve underneath. Next, inside at the bottom, let's draw a circle. And then another circle in the top left of each one. And then a circular curve in the middle behind. And color both of these in black. And that's it for the eyes, and now let's move down and draw the mouth. We'll start underneath the left eye and let's draw a curve up, over to the right, and up again. And then on top on the left, let's draw two curved rectangles for the teeth. Now let's move underneath and draw the bottom of the face. Let's draw a curve in on both sides. Then two curved V-shapes down. And then one more in the center. And that's it for the face. Now let's move out and let's draw some more of the hair. Let's start on the left side and let's draw a wavy line down and curve it out at the end. And the same on the right. Then let's curve it back in on both sides. Next, let's hop up and let's add the shoulders. On the top left, let's draw a line out and the same on the top right. Now let's angle it down and again. And then angle it up and down to bring it back in. Now on top of the head and shoulders, let's finish drawing the hair. Let's draw a curved rectangle shape in the center. Then from the top left, a wavy line up and curve it back down. And then add two small curves coming to a point on the right side. Next, let's move down on top of the head again and let's draw a wavy line out and curve it up. and then curve it back down on both sides. Now let's move on top and let's add another wavy line up. And curve it back down again. And that's it for the head. Now let's move down and start drawing the arms. Underneath the shoulders, let's draw a curved piece up and back in. And the same on the right side. Then let's draw 3 more curved points underneath back into the head. Next, underneath on both sides, let's draw 2 diagonal lines down and out. Now for the next part, let's draw 2 points in between. Then a wavy piece out on both sides like this. Now from both ends, let's draw a wavy piece down. A curved piece underneath on the outside. And then 3 more wavy pieces underneath to close it off. Now let's hop back in and let's draw the torso. Underneath the head, let's draw a curved piece out and back in on both sides. And then another curved piece on both sides again. And 2 more points in the middle. Now inside, let's draw a V shape near the bottom. And then 2 more on both sides. Next, underneath the torso, let's draw 2 curves down on the left and on the right for the legs. Now underneath the body here, let's draw the snowman's head. Underneath the legs here, let's draw an oval shaped curve up and back down, leaving it open at the bottom. Now underneath on both sides, let's draw an oval. And then another set tucked behind. And then in the gap, let's draw a curve across for the bottom of the head. Now let's move inside and let's draw 2 circles for the eyes. And then a zigzag line for the mouth. And that's it for the head. Now let's add the snow on the ground. On the bottom left, let's draw a bumpy line out. And the same on the right side. Then for the ends, let's curve it back in. Another set of bumps underneath. And then 2 larger ones towards the center. Next, let's add some pieces of snow. On the left, let's add a small oval. Another one on the bottom left. And 2 on the right side. And that's it for the snow. Now on top, let's add the ice blocks. Let's start next to the head and let's draw a triangle shape. And now let's add another shorter one next to it. And then one more smaller one again. Now let's move on top next to the legs and let's draw an angle up. Angle it up again and down, leaving a gap for the hands. And then angle it back down at the end. Now inside this one, let's draw a V shape near the top. And then an angle underneath. Now next to these, let's add one more. Let's add a small angle out. And then bring it out and down. And then inside, let's draw a diagonal line. And then one more like this. Now that we've finished the ground area, let's move back up and let's add the hands to the arms. Starting inside underneath the arm, let's draw a curve down on both sides. Then let's hop up and let's add another angle down. And then a curve on the outside to finish off the hands. And that's it for Glaishur. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!